What is going on, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. Today we're going to be searching a decked out police interceptor. But before we get to that, let me show you guys what I've been building lately. Look at this, an elaborate garage. I cemented the post down, so it's going to be super sturdy, super straight. I can't wait. So lately I've been using the flare gun as a defense weapon, but people have been making fun of me about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. Flare gun will be this video's giveaway. So the winner of last video's giveaway, double handcuff holster with double handcuffs, Metro Police Peerless handcuffs, is Dennis Dew. I've been seeing him all over the videos. I've been seeing him all over the live streams. So I definitely want to choose him because he shared, liked, and commented on the video just like I asked. So congratulations, email me. All right, got this 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Came across this guy who was selling his old security car. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, equipment, guns. That quest to find a biscuit will continue. Looks like we have some sort of unnamed light bar. Probably some Chinese knockoffs. This baby's only got 84,000 miles and it starts right up. I got my security man Mick right here. He's making sure that the whole situation stays safe, making sure that no criminals approach, making sure that nobody's breaking in. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys a video of yesterday. This is hilarious. I happened to catch it on film. Whoa! What's going on? What are you shooting at?
Oh, I seen two loyalists. They jump over right here. I think they were around the bush right there.
Oh, damn. For reals?
Yeah. You need to load me more.
All right, hold on. Right there. Right there. See movement. Get him. Oh, damn. I think you missed. If you see them coming on again, like lay down on them for reals.
Right. For sure.
So yeah, let's get back to searching. Got my gloves on. I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way all the way to the back. Let's see kind of goodies I can find. A bead necklace. There's like a few pens and some receipts and stuff. Looks like there's some type of wiring here. His license plate. All right, let me show you guys the light real quick. And bam! Not bad for a Chinese light bar. All right, let's show you guys this little dome light right here. There's a little switch right there. And voila, look at that. Security man's coming for you. Hey bro, this could be like your new security man car. True, right? Like we could scratch some of that off. This is real dim. There's some lights in here, some unnamed lights. Some sort of holster. Don't know what could possibly go here. Mini American flags, probably to pass out to the kids or something. Mace, pepper spray. All right, a first aid kit. This would have been so handy earlier. I freaking cut my finger really bad. Well, I cut my finger just about all the time here. Ew, that is blood. Dried up nasty blood. Yuck. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Soda cans, chips, and I know exactly what this is. A metal detector. What's the on button at? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh crap. Oh, it works. Come here. Let's see if you... Let me test you out real quick. It's okay, you're the security man. You don't have to run. You're allowed to have a gun.
That's right.
Yeah, it's okay. Come on. Or maybe I could even use this. Look at that. Yep. There's something metal back there. This can help me find biscuits. Yep. Yep, see? So this is definitely a good... Oh. I gotta turn this off. Okay, this is definitely a great find. I'm very happy about that. Security vest. Hey, check it out. I got a vest for you. This is a high traffic area, so that will be perfect for you right there. Right now I left Little Biscuits home because the weather was just really bad, and I would feel bad if I brought her over here. She was just gonna get wet. Look at those clouds. So she's just chilling at my house right now. Hey, Where's the vest? You don't like it?
Yeah.
All right, whatever. See if there's any. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Oh, oh. Oh wait, that was just that. Okay. Nothing there. All right, guys.
Hope you find a biscuit.
Hey, thanks, man. I hope I find a biscuit too.
First, you need to find the right key.
There we go. So it looks like we have another vest. One for me, one for you. Now we can match. Bucket, some sort of blueprint. Boring. You're going the wrong way. We should put that in the front so people will stop freaking driving by. And oh, nice. So that's good.
All right, I'm gonna go check.
Huh?
I'm gonna go check the west and east perimeter real quick.
Okay, yeah, good idea. What, every 30 minutes we gotta make our rounds? Yeah, so Mick's been a pretty good security man so far. He's always doing his job, eager to please. Let's give him a thumbs up. Let's give him a thumbs up. All right, give this video a thumbs up for me. All right, let's keep looking here. Yeah, appreciate it. Let's see what else is in here. A bow saw, squeegee, tire pump in case he gets a flat. Ooh, what is this? Ammo box. Look, smoke deployment device. Dude, this is a smoke grenade. The heck? Nice. Security guards, we got smoke grenades. Nice. Yo, security man.
Security man, Mick.
Security man, come in. Security man, get over here now.
Yeah, copy that.
Dude. You were in the bushes?
Yeah. I went
Okay.
around the bushes, so.
Better safe than sorry, I guess. It's pretty filthy over there.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, check this out.
What is it?
It's a freaking smoke grenade.
Oh shit.
No, don't pull a Nick.
Don't pull a neck.
Yeah.
Wait, somebody said Nick?
Dude,
Somebody said Nick?
check it out. Let me see. Let me take a good look at that thing. It's got
Put the pin back on. I accidentally took the pin off.
All right, guys, we're gonna try it right now. Funny man is dead, but he's gonna get it anyways. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stand back.
He's not in there.
He's in there? Oh, well, screw it. We'll test it out anyways. That's right, he's dead. We're gonna bury him. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Oh gosh, what the heck.
Fire.
Oh shit. Fire.
Fire. You know, fire, is it still going?
No, what's up? Oh shit.
You sure? It's still going. Fire.
Get the fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher out of the truck. Holy crap, I couldn't even breathe.
Round two?
Oh yeah, round two, baby. Hold on. All right, we're gonna test the second one. Go. Black smoke. And then we're gonna explode one more time. Go run towards him, tell him stop. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, And if you want that flare gun, you know what you got to do. If you guys missed the last video, Funny Man was shot dead. We might give him an EpiPen and bring him back to life. But yeah, guys, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video Wednesday. Peace.